Dassault Aviation has released updated data on the production and sales of its Rafale multirole combat aircraft, which currently represents one of France's largest aerospace manufacturing programs. The company continues to increase production and delivery rates in line with market demand. In 2024, 21 Rafale aircraft were delivered, while deliveries rose to 26 aircraft in 2025, including 15 units supplied to export customers. During the same period, customers signed a new contract for a further 26 aircraft, bringing the total order backlog to 220 Rafales, comprising 175 for export and 45 for France. All new orders were export-related and include an April contract covering 26 Rafale M carrier-based aircraft for the Indian Navy. French media report that a contract for 14 Rafale F4 aircraft for Iraq is close to completion, while further purchases by existing customers such as India and Indonesia remain possible. Dassault Aviation is also continuing technical development of the aircraft alongside its marketing efforts. Current work includes testing of the F4.2 standard, with the F4.3 standard planned for introduction in 2028 to 2029 and expected to support additional air-to-ground weapons in future development towards the F5 configuration.